Why must we invest in long term and not in the short term? Having known that the returns on some equities is short term could be very attractive, we have an apt analogy to share. Puppy wealth or elephant wealth. An elephant and a dog became pregnant at the same time. 3 months down the line, the dog gave birth to 6 puppies. 6 months later, the dog was pregnant again, and 9 months on it gave birth to another dozen puppies. This continued till 18 months, and one day the dog approached the elephant questioning, "Are you sure that you are pregnant? Because we became pregnant on the same date. I have given birth 3 times to a dozen puppies, yet you are still pregnant? What's going on?" The elephant replied, "What am I carrying is not a puppy, but an elephant. I gave birth to only 1 in 2 years. But when my babies walks the road, human being stops and watch in admiration. What I carry draws attention." Likewise, you may see some stocks which multiplied a few times in the short term. But are you sure this strategy can be commensurate with your lifespan or even exceeds it? And these short-term strategies involve a more amount of risk as well. So, you have both choices. Either invest for quick money or compound your money for decades. But something which grows very fast does not necessarily stay for a long run. It can generate puppy money but not elephant wealth. So invest in equity mutual fund and focus on the long term if you want elephant wealth. Call us now to know the suitable investment opportunities. Mutual funds investment are subject to market risk. Read all scheme related documents carefully.